what a beautiful day in the beach. Let me just go take a swim and go to that rock. Let's go. Come on. Good. I'm gonna go deep area. Huh? What is it my feet says? 100 teams. I don't know. The big hole. Let me just okay, I dropped down. Let me go back home. I'm running out of breath. Breathing. Okay, I gotta get in. Get in. Oh, my house is low. Okay, I'm gonna go to my bedroom. Okay, time to change. Oh, I pause it here. Okay, my avatar is... Okay. There. Good. Good now. Everything's good. Let me just go downstairs and watch some TV. Okay, let me sit here and watch some TV. Oh, I want to do something fun. Let me visit some of the buildings that I never just explore. First, I need a car. Where should I take a car? I'm just going to walk or run. Oh, I'm not selling. Homeowner Bettina, I don't know how to in. What? Let me just run a little bit more. Happy desert play area. Let me just want to play some. I'm just going to climb up here. It's kind of boring in the buildings. Little bit fun. The hospital tours. There's cars. Good, I needed cars. Oh. Oh, seriously. Okay, bye.